Demystifying Sawdust, from workshops to words. Hello language enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into a fascinating term that you might have come across in literature, conversation, or even in workshops: sawdust. If you're curious about what it means, where it's used, and the nuances of its meaning, you're in the right place. Sawdust is a byproduct of cutting, grinding, drilling, or sanding wood. Imagine a carpenter sawing a piece of timber. The fine particles and small wood shavings that collect below are what we refer to as sawdust. It's almost like wood dust. While sawdust has a straightforward literal meaning, it's also used figuratively in English. 1. Worthless or trivial matter. Just as sawdust is a tiny, often discarded byproduct, people sometimes use the term to describe something insignificant or of little value. 2. Background or environment related to manual work. When someone says, "He has sawdust in his veins," it might imply that the person has a background in carpentry or manual labor, or perhaps just a strong work ethic. It's essential to understand the context in which sawdust is used. 1. In a workshop, can you clean up the sawdust from the floor? 2. Describing a person's nature. She's not bothered by the glamour and glitz. She prefers the smell of sawdust and the sound of machines. 3. Figuratively speaking. Don't worry about those trivial issues. They're just sawdust in the grand scheme of things. Sawdust is more than just tiny wood particles. It carries with it stories, symbolisms, and sentiments. Whether you come across this term in a book, a conversation, or a workshop, you're now equipped to understand and use it confidently. Keep exploring and remember, every word has a story. Happy learning!